Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. Really excited to be shooting this video from probably my favorite city on the planet, Victoria on Vancouver Island on the west coast of Canada. Beauty is, weather's nice here, pretty much 12 months a year in relation to the rest of Canada anyway. So we're going to show you a bunch of different things on this project. We're not going over the top. It's not an overly big home, but we're going to show you some really cool ways to get the most bang for your buck out of using a few of our staple lights, and primarily our up and accent light. We're going to use this in a lot of areas just to get some reflective light off a lot of features and trees and stuff that are here to highlight pathways and different garden areas without having to use a lot of path and area lights. We're also going to be using these as a down light to help create some functional lighting in some dark areas, some driveway areas. So we're going to show you some tree lighting tips as well as a bunch of other tips. So excited for this, shooting from Vancouver or Victoria on Vancouver Island. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, I'm just going to show you an area, an example where we would use an in-ground light. So we have these nice stone columns coming into the driveway area of this house, and sorry it's a little loud, it's a little windy, we're right by the roadway here, but bear with me. But entryways of driveways, entryways of the homes, you always want to try and feature those, especially, and typically you have some nice features like some stone pillars or something around the house, some nice columns or beams or something. You always want to try and get a light on that. So for this example, we're using our in-ground light. Reason being is because this is kind of a rock driveway area. I don't want to use a typical uplight and accent light, which will basically get you the same effect. The difference is I want the light source to start right at the ground, right at the base, and I don't want to have to worry about anybody from the street or any vehicles or anything knocking this over or hitting it or anything like that. So we're going to put this right in the ground. I've got it not too far back from the pillar. I've got it maybe, we'll call it 12 to 18 inches back of the pillar. It's going to be shining straight up. We're going to get this pillar as well as a lot of the foliage and the trees that are above. So these in-ground and accent lights, we don't use them all the time because they are a little bit more costly, a little bit more maintenance to keep clean, especially if you're in a leafy area. But in some cases, it's a great light to use, and that's where we're going to use it on this property.